Hello and welcome, I'm Tom Chilton. I am British and World Touring Car Independent Driver Champion. I'm currently here at Max Peeding Rods workshop. How cool is this, everybody? I'm in partnership with Max Peeding Rods and the British Touring Car Championship, and I want to start off talking about this turbo. Everybody who loves racing loves power, so this is the perfect place to start, is with their Sports Performance Turbo, which is right up my street as a racing driver because this produces up to 850 horsepower. It's beautiful, look at this, beautiful CNC aluminium blades, beautiful machining inside here. This is where it's all cooled, water cooled, very important, don't get too hot. Now this one is very special because inside here, this is a special stainless steel metal which can take up to 1050 degrees. So you can run 850 horsepower all day long on the racetrack.